This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. This home is spacious, bright, airy and great for entertaining. From the open floor plan with the kitchen flowing into the great room, then directly out to the large lanai with a private pool, outdoor kitchen with plenty of seating area for both sunbathing and dining. The master suite has sliders out to the lanai, along with his in-amp, her closets with built-in cabinetry. The spacious master bathroom has 2 vanities, a soaking tub and a separate shower. The floor plan has split bedrooms allowing privacy for all. The 3-car, attached garage, has quality built-in cabinetry and polyurea floor coating. This home is located close to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Mercato Shopping Center, which offers many choices for indoor and outdoor dining as well as unique shops. You will be just minutes to Wiggins Pass Beach Park and many of the other beautiful beaches Naples has to offer. For more information, review the details below.